Flooring can completely transform the look and feel of a room in several ways. Let's take a look at how the experts at Atlanta Flooring Design Centers and the Flooring Attic can help you choose the floor of your dreams.
Atlanta Flooring Design Centers was started in 1985. Moved to Duluth and couldn't have found a better place to start a flooring company. 39 years later, we're in 6 states, 14 locations, and looking forward to the future. Our mission statement starts off with listen to the customer's needs, then professionally provide service and material at a great value, and always treating others as you wish to be treated. We're very diverse in our divisions, very diverse in the products that we bring to the table, and I think that's important for the homeowner. When they walk into their home, they want to feel good about their home. One way they can do that is changing flooring.
From carpet to tile and everything in between, a new floor can substantially change the whole design and style of any room.
Things you want to consider when changing your floors is your subfloor. Are you on plywood? Are you on a slab? Another major thing is the traffic. Some floors are suitable for high traffic, other floors not so much. Some are a little bit more delicate that require more maintenance, whereas others can handle just about anything life throws at them.
When you come to our showroom, you're going to see a huge selection of hardwood, carpet, luxury vinyl plank, laminate, and tile. We absolutely have something to fit anyone's decoration style. One thing that we're really diligent about is just trying to keep our showroom selections updated to make sure that we're current. When a customer comes in, the first thing that we're going to find out is how they want to use their space. From there, we want to educate our customer with all of the product knowledge that we can so that they can feel confident about the decision that they're making. In the flooring industry, something new that has come about in the most recent years is a visualizer. You can upload your own photo of your own room and you can see how the different flooring options look in your space. And it just gives you such a good idea of what choices to make.
Flooring plays a crucial role in shaping the ambiance, functionality, and value of a room, making it an essential element of interior design.
You can totally change the aesthetic of a room with new flooring. What you want to think about is visual interest and the sensual experience of what the material product offers. If you choose something smooth, you're going to have more of a luxurious effect. Or if you choose something soft, you're going to feel more comfortable and more casual. It's very important to think about the color choices that you make. Think about what mood you're going to invoke when someone comes into your space. Something that you really want to know about up front when you're choosing your floor is how you have to take care of it. Some floors are a lot easier to take care of, or others you have a special product that you need to use to take care of it. One thing that you want to always ask about and know about is the durability of your floor. Different products have different durability. Some of the laminates and luxury vinyl planks are much more life-friendly as far as scratches, water, whereas a hardwood is a different lifestyle and a different care. The idea of what a floor sounds like underfoot has different misconceptions sometimes. A floating floor doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to be loud. It's very important how the floor is prepped and the underlayment that goes under it as well. You can get the same comfort and quiet as you would a typical standard glue down floor.
But it's more than just displaying flooring. It's all about customer service at Atlanta Flooring Design Centers and the Flooring Attic.
When we're asking all of these questions, we're really listening to your needs. We really want to get to know a little bit more about you to give you the floor that's going to perform best for your lifestyle. Our showroom here in Suwanee is open to the public Monday through Saturday. When you come in, we are ready to serve you and help you. We also do offer a virtual appointment. Your sales rep that you meet at the showroom or virtually is going to be with you every step of the way. They're going to not only guide you with your selections and the pricing that you need, but they're going to follow your job through the entire project to make sure that everything runs smoothly.
When Atlanta Flooring first started 39 years ago, the building business had just started booming in Atlanta. We have always been involved in the community. The Flooring Attic, going on 3 years now, we've almost adopted that in our own way. It shows our actual passion for the community that we do business in, for the people and homes that we're providing our solutions for, not just as a monetary gain from it, but our actual rapport for the community that we are a part of. We offer hot water extraction, carpet cleaning, and office sanitation.
To find out more about Atlanta Flooring Design Centers and the Flooring Attic, visit atlantaflooringdesign.com and designingspaces.tv.